This personal blender right here, wireless, on the go, stainless steel blade in there. It also has LED lights, which I'm going to show you guys just now. We're also going to mix a smoothie. It comes with a nice hand strap right here to go. Got an extra bottom piece here that screws onto the bottom. Comes with a charger, really good strong material, safety lock. So you just open this up and then it's leak proof, waterproof. Look at that nice mouth to drink on right here, and you close it back up. But I'm going to show you, powerful. Whoa, look at that. Chops and mix, and you could see the lights right here. Look at the green lights. Look at that, the green color. And look how it lights up right there in the night. And then if you turn it, look, you turn it, you got different color, different, like it's like flashing. See that? I love it. I gotta tell you, it's pretty cool. We're gonna mix some smoothie inside. So we got some frozen fruit in here, like pineapple, banana, and stuff, and we're gonna see. Wow, look at that mix. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I love the lights, how it's green and it's red and lights, this part lights up nice. But you can see everything is mixing real nice. This is a way that you could mix this on your office if you're going to the gym. Whether if you're coming back from the gym or you're going, you know, you gotta run out to errands and stuff like that. This is a great idea to blend on the way. And the blade is stainless steel. It's not cheap plastic, but you could see here, we're gonna check inside how it looks. So by looking at it, we do have a little chunks more, which I will probably run it back because I do not like my smoothie, but it's definitely liquidish, but definitely need more of a cut, a blend, I would think. So what I will tell you, when you press this button, it automatically shuts off, I think within like 30 to 45 seconds. Press it about 2-3 times. When you do it 3 times, it blended really smooth and nice. There's nothing except the seeds. It definitely mixed good. The first rung I do not recommend alone. It's leaves certain stuff chunky, but second to third time pressing this, 1, 2, 3, makes really nice. It does a pretty good job for mixing your underwear. You could just put all your fruit in here and all the oats and protein and everything and just walk with it. When you're ready, just push the button, blend it up, and I gotta tell you, it's good. I love it. I got no complaint. I'm definitely keeping this because most of the product I give away, but this one I might keep for myself. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check in the description box for price and details, and 100% free. I got more upcoming videos.